welcome back to our channel, The Unidenticals. I am Lahari and video for today is Amazon haul. It's a really huge Amazon haul, you guys. See, all the products that I'm going to show you in this haul, few of them are bought during the sale and few of them are bought before. So there may be a price fluctuation because the products are from the after sale and before sale. So I'm covering almost all the categories of products from beauty to electronics, footwear, clothing, skincare and lot more. So all the products are from Amazon. So let's get started. So starting with the first product, that is the first category is electronics, and under that I have two products. First one is these Redmi earphones high definition dynamic bars. So these are the earphones, these are normal earphones, wired ones. And I think these are really good for the price. I got it for $349, that is $350, which was on a sale. And I think after the sale also it was the same price. So as Diwali is also coming, you can also try these ones. And I got this one in a red ones. This was a really pretty color. I've used these ones before, but it was a different design. And it lasts me for nearly 1 year and it's still working. So you have to really get this, grab this one, it's a really good deal, guys. So next product is by Bode, that is Bode AirDops by 441. These are wireless earbuds and these are really pretty in color as well. So it comes like this with a charger and this box. This is a charger box where you charge, and look at that. Oh my god, these are really pretty. I'm loving them, and I got them for 2000 rupees for in sale, and before that they were like for 2500. So there are lot many products, guys, so that's why I'm gonna be really quick. So the next product is this from the category of like jewelry kind of thing. These are the belt, leaf belt, what is called, it's a Satyam Carve one piece celeb or woman girls leaf belt new. Okay, so I have the same belt from Shein as well. I think this one is from Shein. Yeah, this one is from Shein and this one is from Amazon. Like both of them are same, guys. The one that I got from Amazon was for 289 rupees and the one that I got from Shein was for 200 rupees. Same quality, same price, same color. So there is no difference, and these are really good when you wear, you know, lehengas, and when you want that ethnic belt, when you want that ethnic cinch to your waist. So then you can grab these ones. The next product is this Maybelline New York lipsticks. These are the creamy matte lipsticks by Maybelline, and this is a combo pack, you guys. You get two products for $399 as it is written in the box, but I got it from Amazon for the same cost for 399 rupees. And right now when I saw it, it was on even more discount, like it was for $299, and that was a great deal, you guys. You can really get these ones. And talking about the quality, first of all, when I saw this one, I thought it was a nakli, like it was a fake one, but it is not. It is really good. You get two products, I mean two lipsticks for for $399, and you can select the shades. There are different options available as well. And I got the Touch of Spice and Nude Nuance, and the quality is really nice because it is the original one. So this is a really great deal. If you want to buy lipsticks at really affordable cost, you can definitely buy these ones. The shade is really beautiful. The one that I'm wearing right now is also Nude Nuance 657, and Nude Nuance is a really beautiful color, so you can go for this. And the next one is the Garnier Skin Naturals Micellar Water. So I got this one. This is a makeup remover. You can use it as a toner as well when you want to remove your makeup for deep cleansing. And this one was for like 122 on sale, and the MRP is 175. So this one is a great deal. You can definitely buy this one. So the next product is this Biotic Bio Morning Nectar Visibly Flawless Skin Moisturizer. This one is the moisturizer, and it comes for how much? 190 ml of product for 120 rupees. I got it for 120 rupees on sale, and the original MRP was 182. And this moisturizer lasts you really long, and it's a really good moisturizer. I've talked about it before in my previous videos, so you can really get this one. And the next one is these makeup brushes. So if you are a beginner and you don't use these beauty sponges, then you can go with these beauty brushes. And these beauty brushes are for 299 rupees something. Let me check. So yeah, these are the brushes by Brain Freezer Store. The original MRP was for 368 and I bought it for 299, and these are really soft. These are good for the beginners, so you can really get these ones. So the next category of product is footwear. From footwear I got these two pretty footwear. That first one is these unicorn flip-flops. These are really pretty, like look at them. I don't have anything in white, so that's why I got these. So I got these for 250 on sale, and the original MRP was 289. So these are really comfy, which have a really nice cushion feel, so you can really get these ones. And the next footwear is these beautiful golden heels. Look at these are really beautiful. I've used them before, and it comes with this point heels, and I got this one for 572 on sale, and this was previously for 700. And like you can see the difference from 572 to 700. That's a really huge difference. Beautiful heel, and these are not that comfortable, only for occasion. You can not wear it for regular use. So yeah, next one is Dia. So this is a gold Dia by Fashion Biz for 269. I got this one on the Dussehra sale as well. This one is really pretty for, you know, for home decoration as well, and for also for puja mandir. So I got this one for my mom, and you can like separate this one like this, and when you light the lamp, it looks so beautiful. It gives, you know, that effect, that reflection of light, and it's really beautiful for decoration for Diwali. And it's also available in different sizes as well. I got this medium size. So this one is for 269, and the other style that is smaller size than this is for 180 price. So the next category of product is clothing. The first one that I have is black high neck net top by Dimpy Garments. So this one is the high neck black net sleeves top. I've also seen this in Shein, but it was like for 500 in Shein, and I got it for 400. So this one is for 400. I got this one for 400, and right now it is for 339 on offer, so you can definitely grab this one. The quality is really good. You can see the stretchable. These are really stretchable, and yeah, this one is really pretty. You can wear it for parties, you can wear it for casual wear as well. The sleeves make it really beautiful. So don't worry guys, I'll link all the products in the description box, so you can go and check it. So the next product is this beautiful kurti. Oh my god, look at this one. I've already wore this in my previous videos, and I love the quality. That's why I'm showing you guys. And it's not from the sale. I got it before, like before 2 months back. And this is Gulmohar Jaipur kurti. I got it for 487, and right now it is for 500. And I think in Diwali, as Diwali sale is going on, it will be on discount. So this is a really huge like maxi kind of thing, and you can also open this button. I got it stitched, but you can open this button and wear it as a shrug. Yeah, I can really buy this, and it comes with this beautiful embroidery with like mirror effect. So I highly recommend this one, guys. So next one is these black tights from LA Studio. LA Studio Slim Fit Pants, these are called, and these are, I got these ones for 399, and right now these are for 699. So these are not on discount right now, but oh my god, these are such a nice pants, guys. These come with 3 zippers, one at the waist, and 2 at the bottom, like near your legs. And these are really stretchable. You can see the stretch. You can wear these ones for your, you know, western wear and ethnic wear as well. And I'll highly recommend this one, guys, because these are really comfortable, and what else you need if you have a comfortable pants. So definitely go and grab these ones. So the last product from the clothing category is this denim jacket by Antik, and I got this one for 435, and I think it's a really great deal. You can see the product. And when I saw this one on the, you know, review and comment section, I saw a lot of people, you know, posted it that it was torn, it was, you know, not really good. But I don't feel that. It is really good. I have worn it like so many times. And if you guys want it, then I'll link it in the description box. You can go and check this one out. And the next one is, the last product from this haul is this beautiful bag, tan bag. And this is a bag from Mamon store. And I got this one for 400, and right now it is at 330 rupees. That means it is at sale. You can definitely grab this one. If you are someone, you're going to office, you know, office going girl, and then you can definitely buy this one. And it stores a lot of product, you guys, lot of things, you guys. It's really huge. There is a lot of space. The only drawback about this product is that it has only one zipper and does not have anything inside to store or close your products, whatever you place inside. That's the only drawback. Otherwise the quality is good for the price. You can definitely grab this one. So this is it for the today's haul, you guys. I hope you guys like it, and remember that all the products prices may fluctuate from off sale to on sale, so make sure that the prices will not remain the same, and go grab your favorite ones whichever you like it. And please keep on supporting us, and do tell us in the comment section below whether you like this haul or not. If you want to see more of hauls, then please comment down below which of the hauls you want to see. We would love to do it. So please share this video if you like it, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Till then, stay tuned. Bye bye.